Hallo meine Lieben, wie geht es Ihnen? Ich hoffe, es geht Ihnen sehr gut. Also ich bin zurück und herzlich willkommen bei mir, wenn Sie meine Videos gesehen haben. Today we are going to learn some more greetings, but little bit formal greetings. So let's go then. These are the greetings we just learned in our last video. So we should just go to the next page, and here is it. So first of all, we will just read the objectives and purpose of our this page. Grüßen means simple greetings. Sich und andere vorstellen means to introduce someone or to introduce yourself. Verabschieden means simply farewell when you want to say goodbye. So here we have some greetings here. So, Guten Tag, auf Wiedersehen. Guten Tag means good day. Auf Wiedersehen means goodbye. Yeah, and then we have our first Aufgabe 3a. Our third Aufgabe of this chapter, Aufgabe 3a, 3a. So I will just simply read the Aufgabe. Guten Tag, wie heißen Sie, hören Sie und lesen Sie, wie heißen die Personen? Okay, so it's the same Aufgabe like we just do it last time. We first have to hear the audio, and then we have to read the dialogues, and then we just have to find out the names of these persons. But before we play the audio, let me just clear these four greetings. Guten Morgen means good morning. Guten Tag means good day. Guten Abend means good evening. And Gute Nacht means good night. Simple. Let me show you just here. Greetings. And then you have hello. Hello is also a greeting, but you can also use Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, or Guten Abend. Yeah. So Guten Morgen, good morning, Guten Tag, good day, and then Guten Abend means good evening. Simple. So these are the basic greetings we are going to learn today. So first hear the audios, and then we will just read the dialogues for our understanding.
A.
Guten Morgen. Mein Name ist Nina Weber.
Guten Morgen, Frau Weber. Ich heiße Oliver Hansen.
Okay, so you just hear the audio. So what we have here, Guten Morgen. She's this dialogue is for this lady, this for this woman. So she's saying, Guten Morgen, mein Name ist Nina Weber. This means good morning, my name is Nina Weber. And what this man saying, Guten Morgen, Frau Weber, ich heiße Oliver Hansen. Okay, so here is something. Here is it written, Frau oder Frau oder Herr. So we have like two words to address someone formally. For example, when you want to say someone Mr. Weber or Mrs. Weber, so how can you say it? You have to put Frau first, because Frau or Herr means Mr. or Mrs. Let me show you just here. Herr means Mr. and Frau means Mrs. Yeah, and then after Frau or Herr, put last name. You just have to put last name of these persons. Frau Weber, Herr Reutner. What this means? Mrs. Weber, Mr. Reutner. And then let's go to our book. And what this means, ich heiße. Whenever you want to say your name, you can say ich heiße. Ich heiße Sajjad. My name is Sajjad. This is a formal situation, and whenever we are in a formal situation, we have to say our full name. We have to next dialogues. Guten Tag, Frau Kowalski. Here you can say Frau Kowalski. So now you can get it. Kowalski is her last name or surname. Yeah. Guten Tag, Frau Weber. Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen means how are you, but this is a formal situation. Now we are not going to say wie geht es dir, because wie geht es dir, this is a informal, but wie geht es Ihnen, this is a formal, but both means how are you. There is no difference when you translate both. Danke, gut und Ihnen. This means I am good and you auch gut. Danke, I am also good. Thank you. Now comes the third person. Whenever you want to introduce someone to anyone. So how will you introduce him? So let's see here. Hallo Frau Weber. Hallo Herr Hansen. Das ist Frau Kowalski. Okay, so this lady, Nina Weber, she's introducing this old lady to this man. How? Das ist Frau Kowalski. This is simple phrase. You can say it. Das ist means this is. You can simple say it. Das ist, and then you can put here any name you want to say here. Guten Tag, Frau Kowalski. Mein Name ist Oliver Hansen. My name is Oliver Hansen. Guten Tag. Entschuldigung, wie heißen Sie? Entschuldigung. Here comes the most important verb in German language. Entschuldigung means excuse me. Entschuldigung. It's very important. This means excuse me. Yeah. So, what this means here? Guten Tag. Entschuldigung, wie heißen Sie? This means here. Excuse me, wie heißen Sie? Actually, this person just said his name, but this lady did not understand his name. So she's saying, can you repeat your name? And then at the end, we have simple farewells, simple, we have just simple like bye-byes. Auf Wiedersehen means goodbye. And Herr Hansen, choose means also goodbye. Frau Weber, auf Wiedersehen, Frau Kowalski, auf Wiedersehen. And then we have a little situation here. We will play this situation in our next video. Das ist alles für heute. Auf Wiedersehen. Ciao. Tschüss.